New parent. Here are 3 easy baby burping positions. 1. Over the shoulder, hold baby upright against your shoulder, support their neck, and gently pat or rub their back. Classic and effective. 2. Sitting on your lap, sit baby facing sideways on your lap. Support their chest and chin with one hand and pat their back with the other. 3. Lying across your lap, lay baby tummy down across your legs, head slightly elevated. Rub or gently pat their back. Try each to see what your baby likes best. Burps equals happy tummy.